Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a web video to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer, as well as a video URL that we will extract from our website. When I say website, I mean YouTube channel. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application, search for this. Open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, go to Open. Once that is loaded, now let's insert a new slide. Remove all the content. As we are looking to insert a web video from our YouTube channel, let's now minimize Keynote for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Navigate to your YouTube channel or to YouTube Studio. Once you have done that, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Let's go to the most viewed videos on our channel. By filtering that, let's now take the third one down. Click on Options, go to Get Shareable Link. Once you have copied that, let's now quit Safari for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to the Keynote application, go to Media, go to Web Video, and now we can add a video from our channel, add videos from YouTube and Vimeo. Third-party content and services may be subject to additional terms and conditions. That's okay. And henceforth, we are using a video from our own channel and not someone else's channel unless we have their permission. That's where it says third-party content will be subject to additional terms and conditions. Be very careful with what content you use and whose content you use and how you use the content. Let's right-click and paste. This will generate our own video on screen. Click to insert, and now we can play this. If we were to play the presentation, that will all be done towards the end of these tutorials as part of the playlist. So let's now Command S to save. Let's now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.